Hi everyone, I'm Tim Wolf from the Wolf Circle. In this video, I will focus on the first kinematic equation and provide lots of practice. This video is not only to help you learn the single kinematic equation better, but it provides many examples of many kinds of kinematics problems that you might encounter. This is the most important topic in kinematics. Displacement equals the product of initial velocity in time plus 1/2 the product of acceleration in time squared. This equation is missing final velocity, so it will be used in problems that are not related to final velocity. All the kinematic equations are derived experimentally or from simpler equations, such as the ones that we covered in the first video. So it's not important to know the logical meaning of each equation, but it's more important to know how to apply them. With that said, let's try an example. With each of the examples, then, try to do it on your own first before I explain. So a large cheetah is charging at a constant acceleration of 4 meters per second squared, starting with an initial velocity of 0 meters per second. How long did it take for the cheetah to run 200 meters? So first we have to rearrange the equation so that we are solving for time. Then we simply have to apply the variables that are given in the question. Square root of 2 times 200 over 4. So this should give you an answer of 10 seconds. This question is similar, except we're solving for acceleration. A rock rolls down a hill with an initial velocity of 22 meters per second at a constant acceleration. If 10 seconds later the rock has traveled 262 meters, what is the rock's acceleration? So again, we must rearrange the equation and simply plug in the values given in the question. So you have 262 minus 22 is 10 over 100. And this should give us an answer of 0.84 meters per second squared. And in this last question, they give us everything except for initial velocity. A wave in the ocean as it approaches land is increasing velocity at a rate of 1 meter per second squared. After 18 seconds, the wave had traveled 200 meters. What was the wave's initial velocity? So after rearranging the equation and substituting in the values, then you should get an answer of give me a sec. Okay. Yeah, you should get an answer of 2.1 meters per second. So the wave is traveling 2.1 meters per second at the beginning. So after solving several problems, can you see how they generally work? It is mostly about substituting the correct values into each equation, and also the wording can be confusing, but as long as you understand the underlying mechanism, then the problem is simple. Another important skill is being able to know which equation to use and when, but this you should practice on your own using the problem sets. And it will also be addressed in the next video. So keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.